Hey everyone, welcome back to ACT Math Quick Hits. I'm Paul Beckvar. I'm a high school math teacher in Naperville, Illinois, and I'm here to help you do better on the math section of the ACT. Remember our section rundown here. There's 45 questions and you got 50 minutes to do it. We talked before about how you get about a minute and 7 seconds per question. However, some questions are going to take you less time. Some questions are going to take you more time. What I'm here to do is make sure that they all take you less time. All right, so let's get right back into it. Our next question here deals with a triangle, right? And so it tells us triangle ABC, A and C are congruent, which means they're equal to each other. And then it tells us the measure of angle B is some terrible decimal, 143.6. That's super annoying. So let's draw out a triangle so we can see what we're dealing with here, right? So I got my triangle with angles A, B, and C. I know that A and C are congruent. Again, that means they're the same. I don't know what they are, so I'm going to use a variable to represent them. It does tell us that angle B is 143.6. So the way we're going to be able to calculate this problem is we understand that all angles of a triangle add up to 180 degrees. So if I take angle A, which is represented by X, and add it to angle C, which is also represented by X because they're congruent, they're the same, and add that to that terrible decimal, 143.6, those three values need to total up to 180 degrees. So now I just have a linear equation to solve. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to combine my like terms. So I end up with 2x plus 143.6 is equal to 180. And now I'm going to subtract 143.6 from both sides. Again, I'm trying to get that x by itself. I'm trying to undo all the operations happening to x. So I end up with 2x equals, right, and I have to do a calculation. We could just use the tools that are provided for us. It has that scientific calculator. Remember, the Desmos calculator, the Desmos graphing calculator won't be fully integrated until 2026. So I'm going to use the web-based version of it. It is just nicer. It's easier to see. So I do my subtraction. I get 36.4. So let me jump back to the test here, 36.4. And then now to get x by itself, I just divide both sides by 2. So that'll give you my x value. Again, jump back to the calculator. I already have the 36.4 that's there. Divide that by 2. I see that it's 18.2. I don't need to waste time writing 18.2. Like, this isn't a math class test where your teacher needs to see it. All I got to do is answer the question. So I can just go and answer my question now, right? And I see that choice A is 18.2. That saves me a little bit of time, right? A little bit of writing down. All right, so I know this stuff isn't the most exciting. However, remember, your future self is going to thank you if you like and subscribe this channel. Thanks, everyone.